Hello everyone, as you can see it's a not usual angle for the video, and that's because it's a vacuum cleaner and on my table now is a Dewalt radio, and I will go to get a part for it. So we need to change the motor for this vacuum cleaner because it just works and then shuts down because the motor is overheating. We will start from the small torque screws on the top of the cleaner. As you can see, after that we have the screw here and two screws here, so definitely we need to unscrew them. Just get some light here. Okay, I think now it's better. Now we can just lift the cover, and as you can see we have the motor here, moving the plastic piece here, and on this side it's air filter. Just clean it if you can and want it, and then you can put it back. Of course you can clean it with a compressed air. And now we have a lot of screws here, the torque screws. We need to unscrew them, and we will lift all the housing to get to the motor. Loose now. We can try lifting the housing. You see, it's lift up, and there's my motor. Now we have replacement motor, the same as this one. And we need to disconnect the wires and connect to the new motor. We have two wires here. Just disconnecting them. And now leaving the rubber here. This rubber needs to go in the same position. Okay, this motor, you have seen some water, I think, because the rod's here. Now we can connect the wires back. And align in the housing. You can see the rubber, I pressed the motor, it's not moving, and the housing is even not tighter now. So we will tighten the housing and it will be fine. Okay, now our motor is connected. We can insert the wires in the grooves made for the wires. The controller here. Double check this wire. And now it's time to put the air vacuum housing, or I don't know how to basically call it. Okay, it's just a plastic piece, and we are covering the vacuum cleaner itself. Not got the housing aligned good, so okay, we'll press the filter inside. I will just leave the switch housing. This housing, just I have lifted it and put it in the housing and then push it everything back. Okay, I see that I made mistake not aligning the knob here. Okay, got it now. Now it's our time for the top cover. And that's all. We have installed the new motor for the Nilfisk Alto vacuum cleaner. For now, thank you for watching. Bye.